how-to tutorial of coming into Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. This is an intermediate asana and requires being comfortable in half lotus as well as binds and coming into forward folds. This will challenge your balance, so ensure that you are comfortable with your head below your heart without feeling dizzy or lightheaded. Begin in Samasthiti with your right foot to the inner crease of your left leg. Draw your left arm behind you and wrap your first two fingers around your big toe of your right foot. Now, folding at your hip crease, begin to guide either your forehead towards your shin or your nose towards your knee. On your inhale, lift and lengthen. Press into your standing leg to guide yourself back up. Release your leg, return to Samasthiti. Namaste.